Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl and I'm starting up my YouTube channel to recreate all inspiring makeup tutorials and also some fashion videos and hair tutorials. So today I'm gonna show you girls what kind of placement you can put your blushes on your face to help change your features, the shape of your face. I feel like there shouldn't be any limit of where you should put your blushes on. There are so many different ways where you can put your blushes and it can totally change the way you look. So I'm gonna show you girls what kind of placement of your blushes you put on your cheeks and how drastic it can change and shape your face into different kinds of looks and different vibes. So before we get onto that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post and upload on my channel. Also, please don't forget to check out my Instagram over here. And without further ado, let's get started. For today's, I'm gonna use my Color Spectrum Zoeva products, and I'm gonna be using this two color to show you guys. So the first one I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna highlight on my higher cheekbones all the way to the end of my eyebrows here. So this will actually lift up your face, you know, it gives you that snatch. Basically, you're starting from here and go all the way up to your temple area. This is how you do it. You're just gonna swipe it up. So as you can see, when you are putting in this way, it lifts up your face, you lift up your structure, your cheekbones. With the placement on the higher cheekbones and all the way to the temple, it actually complements a more circular face because it can actually help to accentuate and elongate the face. The next one I'm gonna be applying is on this area, which is more on the circular and also covering the nose. I'm gonna place it over here, doing a little bit of that circular motions, and then I'm dragging it up, but not to the temple, but more like around this eye-shaped area. I'm also putting blushes across my nose area to give that sunburnish kind of feeling, and also putting a little bit on the forehead just to tie the makeup all together. With this kind of blushes slightly higher up until this area, some blushes across the nose and also some at the forehead area to kind of tidy up all the makeup together. This is more of a sun-kissed blushes. It's more for like summer, you know, it's where the sun's actually hit on your face, it usually hit on your cheeks, your nose area, and also your forehead area. So this is to emphasize those who have like high cheekbones, basically using the blushes to advantage, bring out your higher cheekbones and tie it all up together to give you a whole overall sun-kissed makeup look. This is one of the look that I personally love because I love to put blushes across my nose to give that kind of sunburn, you know, this glowy sun-kissed makeup. This will actually complement more towards heart shape because if you have a really strong cheek structures, this technique can actually help to accentuate and emphasize on the cheek areas. Alright, the next one I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to place my blushes around this area, basically connecting to my under eye. So this is the area where I'm going to be focusing on from my higher cheekbones all the way to my under eye area. It kind of really stopped in the corner of my eyes here. And I'm going a little bit around my nose. Really emphasize on higher cheekbones and leaving this all blank out. This placement of the blush will actually make you look like cherry top. You know, it looks more adorable, more cute. This is the kind of makeup you often see in Japan or in Korea. They like to put their blushes around this area to kind of emphasize the cuteness of their face and can give the whole look more adorable, basically to like accentuate, highlight their eyes and their cheekbones together to bring out the cuteness and the kawaii, make your face cute. Alright, the last one I'm gonna put it on just across my nose area, create a surface line over here. With this kind of technique, it's more like you're putting blushes over this area, which is start from here and it ends with here and across the nose area. So this can actually give you kind of look like sun heat sunburn kind of makeup look, because when the sun hits on you, it always creates that sunburn around this area. So this is more for like you going to the beach and you want to create that kind of really sun-kissed sunburnish kind of look. I don't usually do this kind of blushes because it will make my face less dimensional. It's just an option that I'm putting out there for people who likes to just have that kind of sunburn kiss look. And this is also one of the placement that you can do on your blushes. So in general, it's like where you put your blushes on, it's gonna be emphasized on that area. So this kind of blushes is more like for people that has more narrow and longer face. They do not want to elongate and make their face look more narrow-ish, just a surface area. It can actually give you a broader effect. I don't feel like we should all be limited with our face shapes and to put blushes based on our face shape. I think it's more like you just go for whatever you feel like in the day. We are beautiful in our own different way. There shouldn't be a form of notions that your face has to be slim. I feel like all these kind of blushes placement, it really doesn't have a limited options. I just want to putting it out there for you guys to have different options for different kind of looks that you're looking for and you want to go for. Don't limit yourself just because of the shape of your face. I feel like you all should go have fun, just play with it, be creative. I hope you guys find this tutorial informative and useful, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial as well. I will see you in my next video.